Nick, how about at Pure Storage? Can you give us an example of a solution that you all have been involved in that's really changed the game, so to speak, in regards to any of these agencies?
The explosion in biomedical research, patient care, and obviously disease tracking in COVID has significantly ramped up a lot of the data efforts, both on the cure finding as well as the patient tracking across the country. And this actually ties into obviously several of the agencies that are here on the call. We partnered with Health and Human Services, who reached out to us to try and help address the explosion in data growth that they'd had, both structured and unstructured, as they were trying to wrap their arms around what this disease was, how it behaved, unraveling its RNA, and then of course, how it was impacting the population. So when you need really fast, really powerful, scalable dynamic data service, you have to start looking at newer technologies that lend themselves readily to those, volume, velocity, and variety challenges. And that is really one of the reasons why, solid state storage is absolutely critical to this type of endeavor. And again, it's data movement. You have to be able to integrate cloud-based data storage platforms, cloud-based data, I should say, with your on-premises infrastructure and seamlessly interchange that data back and forth. So we work together with Amazon on their Amazon Outpost solutions to be able to create an on-premises edge type computing capability, as well as shoring up the on-premises infrastructure of HHS to address those particular requirements, and then support the data integration efforts across agencies, not just integration, but data distribution. So there's a ton of customers for this stuff. So the data has to be able to move seamlessly from organization to organization, and it has to lend itself readily to the processing capabilities that those organizations have. So that's, I kind of like to think of what we do as we're the freight train of data. Mm-hmm. We're what gets it to market. Mm-hmm. And enables the applications to adapt readily without having to replumb everything in order to take advantage of new data or new data types, new data services. So again, the focus then becomes not on the infrastructure, but enabling the application development, which really drives, how well can the agencies do their mission. To Rachel's point, you're offloading a tremendous amount of work from analysts, as an example, when you can let machines start doing the initial triage or discovery of relevance of particular data. Well, intelligence is a knowledge-based function. The outcomes are often unique, but the processes that go into it are often very general. So everybody's trying to look for answers. Everybody's trying to solve problems. And our job is to help make that happen.